Have you ever accidentally hit delete on a Google task only to realize there is no trash folder to go find it? You're not alone. Unlike Gmail or Google Drive, Google Tasks doesn't have a native recycle bin. Hi, I'm Ryan, and today we're going to look at the only way to recover deleted Google tasks and why you might want a more robust system to prevent this from happening again. First, let's address the native way to fix this. If you've just deleted a task seconds ago, Google provides a small undo notification at the bottom left of your screen. You have about 5 to 10 seconds to click undo. If you click it, the task returns exactly where it was. However, if that notification disappears, or if you refresh your page, that task is for all intents and purposes gone. I mean gone from the interface, like gone faster than my motivation on a Friday afternoon. If you've missed that undo window, your only free option is Google Takeout. I'll warn you right now, this workaround is about to get technical. Takeout is Google's tool for exporting your data. You should have no trouble using it with your Gmail account, but if you use Google Workspace for work, your organization's policies may even prevent you from using this tool at all. If it's enabled for you, you'll want to deselect all and then scroll down until you find Task. Once you request this export, Google will email you a file in a format called .json. You can open this file with a text editor like Notepad to find the text of your deleted task. It's a manual technical process, but it's the only way to retrieve your data once it's been purged from the app. Now, you've probably noticed the friction point here. Using Google Takeout is a slow, reactive process. It gives you the raw data, but it doesn't actually put the task back into your calendar with its original due date, subtask, or notes. For a professional workflow, relying on a 5-second undo button is a significant risk to your productivity. You shouldn't have to act like you're defusing a bomb while the clock counts down every time you click the trash button by mistake. This is where GQueues comes to bridge that gap. GQueues is a full-featured task manager built specifically for Google Workspace users. Unlike the native Google Task app, GQueues includes a dedicated trash folder. When you delete a task in GQueues, it isn't vaporized. It moves here to the trash. You can browse your deleted items, see when they were removed, and most importantly, restore them with a single click. By clicking Restore, the task goes right back to its original spot with all your notes, tags, and assignments intact. No exporting files, no digging through code, no frustrating disruption to your workflow, and no panic. So there you have it. The native way to recover deleted tasks with Google's app, and a better way when you're ready to upgrade. With GQueues, get the simplicity of the Google ecosystem with the safety net of a professional tool. Check the link in the description for a free trial, and be sure to subscribe for more productivity tips.